lovelies. I'm back. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. This is Lovely of Lovely Budget HK. How are you, lovelies? I miss you all. It's been 3 weeks that I'm inactive in YouTube. Yes, 3 long weeks because I need to choose myself, my health, and I need to temporarily stop doing YouTube because it's my schedule is so hectic, my life is so hectic, and my mom is not here to help me. To make it short, life is lifing. So I have to stop to energize my brain, my health, everything. So now I'm back. So for today's video, I'm going to do mini saving challenges which I didn't do for the past 3 weeks. And what I will save here is $100. Okay, let's count. I really miss filming. Okay, let's count. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So let's change 50. I think 70. Okay, so 80. 80. And keep it in here. For all the props money that I'll change, I put it in here. So now let's count the prop money. Let's see. Oops. Seems like I'm just newbie and starting. And the nervousness is still the same, as well as my stuttering. I'm always stutter whenever I'm filming, so bear with me, ladies, bear with me, lovelies. Okay, let's count. Just move it in here. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75. So I need $5 more to make it 80. 80. 80. Okay, so there's $20 left here. And let's get the dice. Let's get my dice. So do you think how many saving challenges I will complete it today? Let's see, let's see. Okay. So let's put this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I will tell from which channel that all the previous came from. Let's see. Now let's roll the dice. So 1, let's put 5 here. 3, let's put 5 here. 1, 5, 1, 4, 5, 2. All right, one more 6. Come on, 6. 6. All right. All the challenges have love now. 3. I think this is done. Let's see. 2, 1, 2, 3, 3, 5, 5, and let's change. Okay, let's change this. Then let's change, and this one let's change into this. So 6, 2, 6, 3. Okay. Let me take it out and move it back. So for this challenge, this is from Simply Living Saves. Yes, and each icon is $5. So we got here 5 icons. So let's cross it out. Oh, sorry, $15. So let's cross 3. 1, 2, 3. So a total of 20. And let's change this into real money. So $20. Okay. I will need this. Oops. So now it got $20. Next one is from Mel of Mamshi Queen. Each icon is supposed to, it's written here 3, but I'll make it as a 5, so additional of $20. So let's cross 4 icon. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oops. Okay, let's change this into real money. So now I got 20. Get $50. Yep, that 20, 34. Yeah, $50. So this one again is from Mel of Mamshi Queen. You can check out her Kopay shop. She had a she got a Kopay shop. There's a lot of previews on her Kopay shop. The next one, so far no completed saving challenges yet. It's okay. So this is mine. It's supposed to be roll and save, but I just put $5 in one of this circle. So I got 5, additional 5. So let's just cross this out. You can see this on my Kopay shop as well. So let's change this into real money. So now it's $60. Ray. 3 more to go. Supposed to be $50 weekly. Normally, I will cash up $50 for mini saving challenges, but as you know, I stopped for 3 weeks. So now I save 100 for this mini saving challenges. Okay, this one is from Madeline Budgets. So I think I only need here 1. Yeah, 5. I already crossed it. Let's see. It's supposed to be $60, so it's 55. So yay, 50. So I completed one today. So I complete one challenge, and you know what this means? Ring the bell, ring the bell, my bell. Okay, alright. I finished one. So let's change it with another Madeline's saving challenges, which is this one. Because it's a set of 3, I already finished 2 sets. So this one is basically it's $2 per flower. So how much I have here? So $15. So let's cross out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 10, 14. Isn't it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 14. And this one just half. So it means $15. Yay! And let's change this into real money. Okay, next one is from Live Budget. fellow Filipino customer, but inactive now. So let's change this into $10 real money and grab some coffee. Cheers, guys. Cheers, ladies. All right. So each icon is $2. So let's cross. You see here, it's $1. So let's cross 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, they still have $1 here. So the total amount here now is 45. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 10, 46, 30, 32, 30. Huh? 10, 20, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 30. Yeah, 35. Yeah, correct. So far, one challenge is done. And this one is from Rox Budgets. Hi, Rox. Hi, Roxana. So each icon is $2. So how much Rox Saving Challenge got? 5, 10, 15, $20. So let's get $20 here. Okay. And let's cross 5 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I only cross the envelope because I still want to use this next time. I haven't laminated this, so that's why. So the total now is $20. Before I end this, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, or hit the notification bell if you're and so you'll be updated on my next video. And thank you so much for being here, and God bless you all. Bye for now and see you later. Be humble and grateful. Make saving a habit. Bye. Love ya.